pay message. I 24 hours economy. And then go on kete. Now go buon mafakani and woman. The man who promised you 24 hours economy cannot give you 24 hours electricity. Now me can't say go for the walk for no the akunyabeko. And to go for the man for 8 years. When did the Akufo refer to Akufo as the boss? Akufo, what did you call meeting? It is just a few meters across the street, and I will cross it. Now I got Akufo and Kwawanya. 4 months, look at the failure of John Mahama's presidency. Because we have only one chief. And your penina won't name Yansan. Yes, this is Kwawi. And soon no more demusao, no lighting. Munya Mato Mokala TV, and Yakoto TV pool. NDC. What is the option, John Mahama? Munya
fridges and other things are spoiled as a result charging you for
NPP. No matter how bad NPP government was, basic necessity like electricity and water, we had it. We did. For the first time in the history of Easter, for the first time in about 8-9 years, Nanado and Akufo and the Easter. Walk on us so when I will be on Swakonyano and Dinechi, and to acquire an Akonaya, the man who fulfill and one or yan to flatten and not nine in him over flag bearership. And Timama and I'm kind. General mosquito ne kan Exp0sɛ
no be asori say ufiri ho ame na medi we so ufiri ho ame na medi we so ufiri ho ame na medi. How can the person concentrate on adwuma hedi amano na me na medi say ya anwe na saa de no didi no patim na president Mahama failure ya defa bere abeche wo mpe beto atwene
there na akoka dey
so Pacho, and he said the question is, and unti na mode grandma, mode yare bi atona so. And na me na medini ntrada because nka papa mu die. Eka president free one advice. And ye na flag bearer. Ne papa mu. Enti me na medini nti na mo pesa mo ya ma amini bibia na. We are asking questions.
When you need 3 months. No, be actually say, Ufiri ho ame na medi. We so see Ufiri ho ame na medi. We so see Ufiri ho ame na medi. How can the person concentrate on adwuma hedi amano? Na me na medi. Say ya anwe na saa de no didi no patim na president Mahama failure. Ya defa bere abeche wo mpe. Beto atwene.
There na akoka dey.
So, and the air question danger I will say. We will supposed to be see Zebra, Zebra, Honorable Vice President, anyway. Man, way you never set it competition tomorrow. Dangerous for us.
I said, do
you say chief of staff and the minister for you?
Yes.
Sao the way about to us, you did study you had another quarter. There was fire on the mountain. And this is for mountain, a jar I was sorrow. Matters I do Zebra air sideline and see a look at your uncle for Ama a jar, Oja, hey, Yansuma Anne, it is a minamedi.com. Minamedi, Oja the PSC yesterday. Minamedi intino. Say, no one. Minamedi na medi no I don't think I'm one Mahama ni bibi ana aya question no mo di bibi aso bibi mama na no mana ana mo no ono kwa no makoto go akochanti bibi egu mama na so ana because there is fire on the mountain na sa fire ne de measure that be your production and na dem be warning na Addo keke we na ye economics but ojano aso akose ska kwasia babie ni wo chen ho maame twekankan no akose kwasia babie ni wiase ye nim na chen ho maame kwasia babia wo se wo ne kwasia se wo papa na atro wo kwasia ba ya be wale na Latin America wo maame na ne twae ne ka kwasia babie ni wo chen ho maame twekankan no enti wo ne highest limit ene wo se kwasia no wo se ohie nkumo kwasia babia kom ekunema said the wire frustrated he was ba na wo and this for omo ya clowns me pacho NDC MP complaining about doom so but complaining at one na me say no me both voices NDC for minister for Volta region, about the Dunso situation. Exp0sɛ Ghana. Me pacho, yanko ti honorable.
Stars tasked the Electricity Company of Ghana (ECG) to take immediate steps to address the recurrent power outages in the region. James Gunu, who paid a surprise visit to the regional office of the company in Ho Tuesday morning, expressed his contempt about the intermittent power outages, which is said is causing damages to economic and social life of the people in the region.
The minister's visit to ECG comes in the midst of raging concerns among residents over the intermittent power supply crisis in the most parts of the region. The situation has become worse in recent weeks, with households experiencing either low voltage or light out almost every night, a situation the minister says is affecting both economic and social life.
I have received a lot of problems. Myself, I'm feeling it. We are not happy with the services that you are rendering to us. Let there be communication, regular communication with the people. Tell them today you are going to put off their life. Let them prepare for it. Let them prepare for it. We'll be there and they will be light up. Every now and then, light up. People's fridges and other things are spoiled as a result charging you for
NPP. No matter how bad NPP government was, basic necessity like electricity and water, we had it. We had it. We did. Semina medie light off on kwa. This one we. Esum no mo dem sa o no lighting kwa. Munya unhwe. Mato mo color TV. E dia koto TV pool. NDC. What is the option John Mahama? Munya unhwe. No matter how bad the NPP government is, na more lights. And yami na make last year by this time, na more da kaniemu. Mi do na me. No matter how bad the NPP government was, last year by this time, na more da kaniemu. 4 months, look at the failure of John Mahama's presidency. Because we have only one chief. Jimmy for na penini eko jina waka say we have only one king in Bokwa. Eye penini a wajimi a wonim nyansa ena yesa and was set a confusion in no and occupant answer nature. So Otumfue, what I wouldn't answer and Tibra. Never solve the problem the other day. Emma me. Second failure. John Mahama, who was promising you people 24-hour economy, cannot give you 24 hours electricity. His only campaign message, a 24 hours economy. And then go on kete na go buonu afaka na enwumo omube na enkwa. The man who promised you 24 hours economy cannot give you 24 hours electricity. Cannot. The man who promised me say, no matter how bad the NPP government was, now more constant electricity, now more constant ensure. No, don't let anybody come and tell you that. Anyway, when you on top of the doom sono, yeah, that to light 14.9%. Over 14% tariff. And the actual light in a muniano. Light in a muniano, yeah, but 14%. Now, so with the Jimmy Schwar, yeah, 1%. Near you betting tax 1%. Near to come here 14%. Messi. You people have not seen anything yet. You've not seen anything yet. Say you better to electricity mu. Now you have to war mu. Now war with one people say bet in the Wutrabi. And I meant some men people because of betting tax. Also bet you wouldn't to say them TA. Now ECG tax will be out here. Can you know down with them? Now with them will see you go tia. You would tia. My Tom make a let TV control. Black and white children, you man, I don't have me so. Yeah, Kayana Metier or one Meti couple. So I tear so yeah, monsieur. Sam Obikacha must send you bet you am a Kakurampa. The utility tariff are tied to the previous IMF program by the NPP. And what was say, Jimmy? You can't say me why because you are stupid. If it was tied by the IMF program to the NPP, why was the NPP not increasing electricity by 14%? Hello? The electricity tariffs, NPP for the sign a contract, and almost a contract in the yeah, they're too. Now, my for about increasing of 14, NPP before increasing like 14%. Munya explain to yourself because me and the mean to be na metribi. And to go to Jimmy will be and farmer because it takes only a stupid asshole. Kwasia won't even minute. Kwasia won't even minute. And the begin is said NPP signed a contract added to one my NDC. We are Amoya boy, you are branches say. Kwasia say we now will be one. NDC NPP signed a contract no. Almost to light move 14%. NPP signed a contract no. Almost to light move 14%. Hello. NPP ne IMF signed a contract no. Almost to light move 14%. Hello. Munya wure. You enter 1 year mpo. You are about to fail it. I said that there is light at the end of the tunnel. But when you do end of the tunnel na John Mahama do more light. I mean, the way God is punishing Ghanaians right now. Hey! Mercy and the Easter. Mumu do say no lights. They all go and off. Easter so said the hotel board they walk. No wako the sumo. The only John Mahama can do that. My sister management is there. pipe on your boho for decoration. My sister management is there. Or pipe no, fuel for decoration because it's will be unfair. You are not see anything yet. May say no matter how bad the NPP government was, Afia said last year by this time you had water, you had literacy, you have literacy, you have literacy, you have water. Now you don't have water, you don't have literacy, you got nothing, you got nothing. Last year, number one galam say, and so number one so. This year, no so galam say, and 1 year. This year, no crowd there. Foreigners, Ivory for, and don't why galam say anymore. No water, no lettery, no water, no lettery. Only galam say, and this is for Chiamo Casta be near the Namiase. About 2 weeks ago, NPP for Exp0sɛ, Nanado Koshia MPs. Our work city. Now, some meeting no. Nanado insisted say, but we may have cremony entering an election no. Or Lucy, even though at that time no. Now on say chairman some reports no. Exp0sɛ, Nanado ne ma Lucy. Media nije ebe bomun kaya say. Ana ne be mama mane e dia asemi. Media nije ebe bo mama ne say Professor Michael Kwe report no aba. Any kind Honorable Osafumafo report 2020. Nanado amasa report na ma out. Professor Michael Kwe report na so. Nanado mpese beba out. But me will copy. I got the copy. Mama Kasasa Brasafo. I got the copy, and I make sure everybody in the political party, everybody in the party will get the copy. Because I got the copy. And the Professor Michael Kwe, Mama Sahanaminda was it for doing a genuine job. Professor Michael Kwe, Mama Sahanaminda was it. Because you were under so many manipulations and influence. However, you didn't control to their poho. But opening, so what reports now out. Nami Afia me deba outa. When you want me na me ba dear. Me can we have one with the meeting na mo call no na no wu kwada no. Na me ho. Mo ye neck meeting. Every day 9 o'clock. And I'm upon next meeting no 2. And I'm starting NC National Council meeting from 2 to 5. I'm starting by 2:30. And I'm upon time by 5:30. Me person me come up Professor Michael Kwe who say about 5 o'clock no. Nanado sorry I walk asa. Me person me try with timer. Nanado sorry I walk asa ya. Waka try mo say Wapamacho results ne de beya e mane ma bonten. Senana do no pesa results ne be ba bonten a. Aka 2 weeks ago no ankotra se anko blame ba umia. Enu ye chapter 1. De atosu mienu. De entia nanado tutu mrika kwa Akufo ho no. Exp0sɛ report ni nyina Exp0sɛ Nanado ene ma yare Nanado ni nasefo Nanado ni nabusuafo Nanado is calling for sympathy votes. I will come and talk about the report on Wednesday. But Professor Michael Kwe report ni the beba out because Osafuma for no Sabuma ni ba out to 2020 and kayetimi correcting mistakes. Nanado stop saying say NDC 4 year or out. NPP we don't align we don't align with NDC and any must NDC 4. NDC 4 year or out and NPP 4 so Ediano Emma out. Everybody out Akufo. Everybody out. And nobody is got time for that your nonsense apology. Nobody. I repeat, nobody is got the time for your nonsense apology. The whole world will know you. And people will know what really happened. And if possible, the NPP will come and apologize to Ghanaians You will not sit on that report, knowing very well that 80% was you and sebi. Unkwasi asema will be intimintiamo. Nami kanse Akufo Addo woko Akufo wo no de akunya beko. Enti woko no Akufo akunya no de ma wo no for 8 years. When did Akufo Addo refer to Akufo as the boss? Akufo Addo wutimi ko meeting wo fie wo pedua say. It is just a few meters across the street. And I will be crossing. Now I go Akufo no kwa wanye. 8 years as a president. 8 years as a president. We are cabinet meetings. I will pay Akufo na unko. Easter, when they ma wa moto so Akufo Addo, because I've seen you. Kwabna show, I saw you. I was the MC. When they ma wa mutu edu enenam ena o magageo ena Easter woodie. And ma wo mutu mutanka. Most of them they said, "Do Mahama wants to true me who pay." I said, "Do Mahama then they are now more so." Oh, Mama Lord did ya? Do Mahama then the nation now? What the original? And ma wo no for so. I want most so much. I want why I send message now. So mumu no waga girl. Then Easter way the one baby Akufo because who himself Professor Michael Kwe reports never ye bet you worry papa ye bet you worry open kwa wo de Akufo say ni wheelchair no wona kopia ye you will not go scot free. You said sir a religion enti ni anto amaba wuni enti na kwasi ada me pese bi busa asa wona na do kwa asori wen 2 weeks ago na go ka say a religion. And it's about I tell you wanted to play the you wanted to play the tribal and the religion card, no. One another go sorry way. And ma will be to me a woman. I will no foot is a buta. No, my dry, no, so no, why I send it? Now, who to two? Why when you move, who said manufactured kakai, now over. And that dear, when the Akufo never Easter. And that dear, when the Akufo and never Easter. Now then, Tiana Tiabium. Opa, Kodi Akufo Bini, the Professor Michael Kwe report will come out. I already have my copy. Because Professor Michael Kwe, me and the printer when you feel when you. I already have my copy. Mopa Montasso. Now 1 week. I will be sitting here reading the report to you people. And to make a Wednesday, 5 o'clock. Apology now with the bar say, Whoop macho. Reports need the income in our montem. Now this is for a year reports number out now. Professor Michael Kwe, I object to that. I object to that suggestion. Because Osafo report no about outer and can you correct mistakes we you also know that I know. Say in your report no 80% of the things that were highlighted at the Osafumapo's report repeated itself. And then another one was Akufo and boss. Oh, Nanim Sakakai. The Edibayan, no reports no one farmer out. Maybe the member out. Never have
Mr. Mankwa. Me office was say ni sika banie de awie ni project no. Eso de bia me office ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this sika free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey ni say.
Chire ni say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma de pet TV shim. obenya 5 euros, 5 pounds, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make quack friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo obetimi atosusu nkakra. Enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. Anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trena shim. Kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send na.
Pa no.